Hello YouTube, this is Hen Basket, and welcome to Fire Alarm Friday. As you can see here, I have my Mercon pole station up again, which I have removed the push bar from. And you may notice a resistor here. That is a hint of what's to come in a later video. So up here, I have my GX90. Here, I have another GX90, one with the strobe. And another GX90. Here, I have my Gentex HG first generation horn, my EST Genesis strobe, and my SHG, which is the later version, which has the Commander horn. So, the MDL is set on code 3. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the alarm. And there we go. Hen Basket signing off.